Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'll be going through the basics of the setting up the baitcaster wheel and what each knot is for. To start setting up, you will need to hang a weight on the line first. So I'm just gonna hang a sinker. We will first tighten the braking system until maximum. So for this wheel it's at 20. And then tighten the tension knob. So tighten by turning towards yourself. So we're gonna turn it all the way until it's tightened fully. When the tension knob is tightened all the way and you press the thumb bar, the line will not move at all. We'll need to loosen the tension knob by turning it away from yourself. Loosen until the line starts running. If the weight lands on the ground and the line in the wheel stops running, then that's the correct tension. We're gonna adjust the drag. This is too tight. This is a bit too loose. Something like that. Then we are ready to start casting. So before you cast, you can actually adjust the braking system to what is suitable for you.